welcoming you to a glimpse inside my summertime morning routine. I got my coffee. I do look a little rough. I'm aware of that. Do any of us look incredible waking up? No. So every morning I bring all my plants that are inside, I bring them outside and I spray them with water, and then mainly like the plants that don't need as much bright direct sunlight, I take them out early in the morning so that they can have like indirect bright sunlight. So that's what I'm doing now. Just take my little spray bottle and start spraying the leaves and the plants just so they don't dry out or get too hot in the sun. I have this nice little aloe plant I love for the summer. It's great for like just everything on your skin. And then I have this as a prayer plant. Kind of like almost killed her and she almost died, but I'm bringing her back to life and she is growing again. So, and I have my little Venus girl. This is my Venus flytrap plant. She collects all the flies and the bugs inside of the apartment. So maybe read a book. I pretty much just enjoy my morning coffee until the dog is like yelling and screaming at me to go out. So, but she usually just like chills for the most part. So, I have a couple errands to run today. I have to go to my PO box and pick up a couple packages. Also, we're going to the dentist this morning at like 10 a.m. Actually, quite soon. What time is it? It's like this side, and honestly, they told me to schedule these like last December to get them out because they've been bothering me. I wish I did, but I didn't. I was just like, no, I'm fine. It's stupid for me. And now this pain is just so unbearable. I'm like, I need to get this booked to come out as soon as possible. Really can't wait another week. I've been living off of ibuprofen and it's not healthy. So, yeah, let's go. a quick little run. I am ready to go to my dentist appointment. My face is killing me. It feels like someone's drilling my tooth. So I'm excited to get there, as you can imagine. Here's my little outfit of the day. So this is the dress I'm wearing. This dress is from Fashion Nova. I got this actually like a couple summers ago, and I never wore it. And then I found it in my closet, and I'm like, let me give it another go. So I'm wearing it today. It's just a nice, flowy summer dress to keep cool. Oh, my hand is freezing. I've got my yerba mate, and I'm ready for done, and my tooth is hurting so bad because my ibuprofen is wearing off, so I'm just hoping I can get this scheduled to get extracted ASAP. You can see my little earrings. That's so funny. The x-ray. Alrighty, right, you guys? August 30th. So that sucks because I guess Medi-Cal has to approve, blah, blah. Nobody's up here, so I am ready for my plunge.
Sweetheart. Okay. Do, and I'll be the singer. I'll pretend to be the singer.
Like that. Can we throw a tempo in? Okay, hold on. Let me try. We sound like trash, hun. We need a musical director. Musical director, anyone? By this point, it's about 12 noon, and I just start filming and editing content for social media, answering emails to try to set up brand deals and make appointments, amongst the other million things that go on in my life. I hope you enjoyed this glimpse into a summertime morning routine with me. Stay beautiful, sweethearts. Mwah.